What's up, boys and girls? It's wheel day. So we've got some new wheels going on the Jazz. You can probably guess they're oh, I don't know what you say. Oh yeah, I guess it's upside down. Rotor. Now I've had these a little while now. Purely I haven't had the time to get them sorted. I've still got to get some tyres, and then obviously get the tyres mounted to said rims. I want to get an alignment on the CRZ, but I do want to get an alignment on the CRZ actually, on the Jazz, because we recently lowered it, and I feel like it's towing a little bit. But yeah, so here's an unboxing of my new rims. Sweet. I'm only going to open one, because they're still going back into storage.
I don't actually think I've ever seen the amount of wheels you've had over your time. I don't think I've ever seen you actually unbox a set of wheels. Yeah.
No, because generally I order them from Rimstar and they already come with the
tyres
mounted.
Yeah. But well, actually, we haven't unboxed the set though, because when I had my CRZ, I had the
again they came from Rimstar with the tyres all going.
Oh yeah, of course they did. Did they come in boxes or not? I can't
remember. They put like a cardboard on the face of it, and then like taped the tyre.
Oh, it's been that long ago, I can't remember, and I've slept since then, so.
I haven't. I do not sleep well at all.
Since I've changed careers, I've slept a lot better, because I actually have a bit of a routine now.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Yeah, some of you may know I've helped Sam get a new job. He now works for me.
Oh,
lovely. What is that? Oh wow, they put the old silicone bags in there to stop moisture. Right. So, what we got? I'll show you. Probably better. We've got a terry club. Oh, I can already see the lips. Yeah!
Oh, look at that. That is beautiful.
So these are 16x7 ET40. They're not obviously real TEs, these are rotor grids. And yeah, polished lip, gunmetal centres. I think they're going to suit the Jazz wonderfully.
That's going to look fucked up.
These are rotor grids, not real TEs. I ain't made of money, but they're genuine fakes. Oh, let's get that cloth on.
Yes, mate. That is mega.
Yeah, actually, I'll leave it. I'll take that bag out. Yes. Do some shots actually. Something like that. So here we go. Rotor grids. Like I said, 16x7 ET40, I believe. Obviously 4x100 because they're going on the Jazz. I'm so happy. They've got a little bit of a concave to them, a little bit of dish, not too much. Obviously this is my daily, so I don't want it to be too crazy, but I'm very happy with those. Very happy. What do you think, Sam?
They're pucker, mate. They're a good choice. When you see them online, you think, not sure, gunmetal and all that, but no, you've done a good one there, mate.
Well, the reason I went gunmetal was because I've already got a dark rim on the Jazz.
Yeah, it's what you call shadow chrome, is it?
Yeah, shadow chrome. It's not quite anthracite. I mean, it doesn't give a good look at what the colour really is at the moment, because they're filthy, like most of the car. But yeah, they're the option. Well, they're not optional on this trim level, but you could option them. But they're the SI alloys. I can't remember what the model name is on them, but obviously, yeah, being an SI comes with that. So, like I said, I'm not going to open any more of them because they're going into storage until I can get tyres and time off work. Yeah, like I was just saying, at the moment it's as the COVID restrictions are easing, everyone's wanting to go on holiday. Bit of fucking idiots, really, if I'm honest, who want to go somewhere where COVID is already worse than what it is here. That's another story. Anyway, yeah, everyone's going on holiday at the moment, so it's just been difficult to actually get some time off to film for a starter, and actually get these done, because I could just, you know, put them into a shop, go to work and come collect them up after evening, but in the evening. But I kind of want to give as much content to you guys as possible. I want to film as much as I can, so I can almost guarantee that I won't be able to film the actual mounting process of the wheels, but driving there, the journey, blah blah blah, I'll film as much as I can. So that'll be the next video, hopefully, depending on how these videos play out. But yeah, I need to get the tyres. They are ordered, I'm just waiting for them to be delivered. You can definitely tell springs here with all these little birds, they wind me up so much. Poo all over the cars, squeaking to all sorts of hours, trying to find holes in every bit of your house to nest in. And they've broken my vent again for the extractor, and they've made a nest in there again. Fixed and replaced that last year, now I'm going to have to do it again. Yeah, anyway, I'm blabbling. What's the word?
Yeah, I'd say blabbering about.
Blabbering.
Right there, thereabouts.
Oh, well. So yeah, like I said, all that needs to happen. Once the tyres are mounted, I want to get an alignment. I want to try and source some camber bolts as well for the front. Obviously the rear is not adjustable at all. But yeah, I just want to get some camber bolts, because I think there's a bit too much camber on the front, and I really don't want to be burning through these new tyres, because I'm not going, even though this is my daily, everyone that knows me is I am quite picky about tyres. They're important. They're the only bit of the car that contacts the road, and I don't want to be burning through them, burning the inner edges out, and because of camber and toe and blah blah blah. So the car's been lowered, it needs an alignment. I want to get as much camber out the front as possible. Can't do anything about the rears unless I put a JDM rear axle on it, which is definitely not happening on that. Same with the CRZ, can't adjust the rear on that. I do need to do camber bolts and alignment on that, because I am burning through tyres on the front. But yeah, so I'm talking shit again, Sam.
What's that, mate?
I'm talking shit again.
No, you're alright, you crack on.
So yeah, like I said, that needs to happen. I'll take you on that journey as much as I possibly can, and then hopefully the chassis will be looking pretty epic, because I'm actually going to take it to a meet today, down in Ipswich, run by East Coast Japanese, I think they're called. I did a video with them at Modified Live last year. A great bunch of people. So yeah, sadly I can't take the CRZ. I'm still waiting on parts for that. Good old Japan. CRZ parts, not easy to get hold of. Anyway guys, thanks for sticking around. We will catch you in the next video.
Peace.
Bye bye.